In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a to-do list in Google Sheets. This setup is simple, clear, and easy to update as your tasks change, and everything starts with clean headers in row 1 and your actual to-do items beginning in row 2. First, we'll lay the foundation with 3 headers. In cell A1, type status. In cell B1, type task name. In cell C1, type due date. These labels help keep your sheet organized and make it obvious what goes where. Status is where you'll mark whether a task is complete. Task name is your description of what needs to be done. Due date is when you want that task finished. Keeping all headers in row 1 ensures your formatting and functionality begin neatly from row 2 downward, so you never mix labels with real data. Next, let's make the status column interactive. Highlight column A starting from A2 downwards. Then go to Insert in the menu and choose Checkbox. This turns each cell in that column into a clickable box. When you check a box, it's a quick visual cue that a task is done. When it's unchecked, it's still in progress or pending. You can select as many rows as you think you'll need. Do a generous range so you don't have to repeat the step later. If you add more tasks later, you can extend the checkboxes further down using the same approach. Now add your actual tasks and due dates. In column B, starting at B2, type each task name. Keep it clear and action-oriented, like email project update or review budget draft. In column C, starting at C2, enter the due date for each task. Use a consistent date format so your list is easy to scan at a glance. As you fill things in, think about priority and timing. If several tasks share the same deadline, group them together in your list so you can work through them efficiently. Keep task names concise but specific enough that you know exactly what to do when you read them later. Once your tasks and dates are in place, click a few checkboxes in column A to see the flow in action. Row 1 remains your header row, and everything meaningful lives from row 2 downward. That simple structure makes it easy to maintain and expand. With your headers, checkboxes, and details set, you now have a clean, functional to-do list that's quick to update and easy to track at a glance.